What's up guys, my name is Technoba here for Troubleshoot, and today I'll be showing you how to add your own custom emojis to your Discord server. So let's begin by opening it up. Head to Server Settings, Emoji, and Upload Emoji. From here we can choose one we want to upload. This is extremely important, make sure to give it a name. Usually if you download an image, it'll be randomly generated or something extremely long and unrecognizable. When you go into chat to try and reference it, you might not be able to find it if it's extremely long and confusing. And then to add an animated emoji, all you have to do is click Upload Emoji, select an image of GIF format, and upload. Of course, if a GIF is too big, we'll have to compress it, which can be done at a site like EasyGIF/Optimize. Choose the file you want to compress, upload, and we'll just hit Optimize GIF. You need to make sure that the kilobyte size is under what Discord is asking for, so we'll just compress it a little bit more. If it still doesn't work in the max settings, we'll make sure to hit Resize, and make it something like 50%. Resize. And you can see it's already a lot smaller. So we'll make it even smaller, 25%. It's way under what we need, so we can make it a little bit bigger. And it's already way under what we need. So we'll just hit save, head back to our Discord server, upload emoji, and we'll add the one we just created. As you can see, it has a strange name that's related to the thing that we downloaded it with. So we'll name it something more recognizable. Of course, if you've read the small text, you can see that people with Discord Nitro who pay monthly will be able to use the animated emojis. You unfortunately will not be able to. It'll be grayed out if you don't pay for the service. If you know someone that does, then they can send the messages. The same goes for reacting. If we hit the react button, we won't be able to react with them, but we can still react with other custom emojis. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped demystify it. My name has been Technobo, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao!